And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Now, up first this evening, the St. James Police believe they have cracked down on a multi-million-dollar scheme.
The investigations are preliminary, but owners of poker boxes across the country are the victims.
The police made an arrest today, and as the probe deepens, more are expected.
Sandy Williams has our story.
On the face of it, these look legitimate, but
what we're looking at are the sophisticated devices that this criminal syndicate are using to recreate tickets, using fake tickets, using them to defraud the poker box operators.
in fact, it's an ongoing issue in Western Jamaica. Operators of poker boxes have been losing millions to scammers.
These group of persons, how they operate, they'll come to your establishment, get a copy of your logo, they then go back, recreate your logo, and then create fake tickets. They then come to the establishment, posing as normal customers, and then they try and cash in these tickets.
On Tuesday, the police made a breakthrough.
Earlier today, the owner of an establishment in St. James, in the Barnett Street policing area, recognized that there was an issue with a poker box ticket that was being presented to be cashed. Upon further examination, he confirmed that there was something different about the ticket and requested the assistance of the police. The police, upon going there, held on to the men.
Upon searching the vehicle the men were traveling in, the police stumbled on the devices used to create the fraudulent tickets. Their investigation also revealed something bigger.
And realized that this syndicate seemed to have originated outside of Montego Bay, but has been operating for some time, defrauding poker box operators and other business owners within across the country.
As the police continue to dig deeper, they've already surmised that this is a multi-million-dollar scheme and the criminals are all over the country.
If you look on the costing on some of these tickets, if you have tickets with $65,000 and you print 10 of those per day, that's $650,000. You can easily pull $2 million plus, in excess of $2 million dollars every day. By just not making even any great effort doing this scam.
To businesses,
we are encouraging persons who operate these establishments, pay keen attention to persons who enter and exit your establishment, ensure that you have proper camera set up so that you can pay attention to what is being done on the box. And also, if you are in doubt, contact the police. This is not limited to St. James, but right across the country.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.